Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you what to check if your mower deck belt keeps falling off every time you disengage it. If you go around onto the passenger side of the mower, there is a little part that is only held on by the tension of the part. And if you hit something or it vibrates out, your belt will fall off. It's literally called the belt keeper guide, and it's only held on by one bolt on the driver's side of the unit, or one screw actually, and then spring tension from the shape of the guide. So it's just this one screw that goes up through the body. It's a 13 millimeter head. I just used my little 1/4 inch impact to take it off. You want to make sure that you have the direction right. And the screw has a washer on it. And here's what the bracket looks like when you take it off. Mine, I hit a couple stumps with it and such, so it's a little bent. You can see how it actually bows in at the top there on the opening, and it should not look like that. So I'm just gonna throw it in my pony vise, which I absolutely love, and then bend it back into a more spring-like shape, more open shape with this open end box wrench. Just put a little torque on it, bend it maybe, I don't know, a 1/4 inch open, and then that way it doesn't fall out anymore. I actually tried to drill it out to put a cotter pin in it so that it couldn't fall out, and it didn't go so well because it's pretty hard steel and I don't have a good drill press. When you put the screw back in, just make absolutely sure that you do it by hand and do not cross thread it because you don't want to have to retap these threads in the frame of the mower. And here's another angle. I decided to crawl up under the mower so you guys could get a good shot of how it's supposed to look in case yours was totally bent. Um, but yeah, this fix took about 5 minutes. It took longer to edit this YouTube video actually. And yeah, there it is all done. Hope this helps someone out there. Thanks for watching.